Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to chat you through some low carb 0-point snack ideas, which include these over here, and I'll give you some ideas for snacks you can enjoy. And I've also written a full blog post which I'll leave down below, which has loads more ideas that you can pin, bookmark, save for whenever you want. Some low carb 0-point snack ideas. Now, I shared a video recently where I talked about my experience incorporating Weight Watchers, low carb, keto, all that kind of thing, and I thought I would share some of my favorite go-to low carb 0-point snacks that I've been enjoying over the past little while. So we'll start over here with tuna. I've got some tins of tuna, and sometimes I will mix a little bit of 0-point yogurt through, or maybe make a tuna salad with some spinach and some other low carb 0-point veggies. And tuna's just great because there's no points, so you can definitely make a bit of a little mini meal all around tuna. And for veggies, I've got some tomatoes. I might have a handful of tomatoes, cut a few strips of veggies. I've got some beautiful bright peppers over here, but you could also enjoy cucumber or celery, really any vegetables. Most vegetables are 0 points, low carb, keto friendly, so you can definitely enjoy all kinds of veggies in all kinds of ways as snacks. And for fruit, berries are all of our low carb fruit options and also happen to be 0 points too, so you can definitely enjoy berries. If you're more Weight Watchers and counting points than being too strictly keto, you can have a little more berries and other fruit as well, but all kinds of fruit make a beautiful snack. And I've got eggs over here. These are fresh eggs, but I would recommend hard boiling if you want to be ahead of yourself and have some eggs in the fridge, so that when you want to snack you can have hard boiled eggs, make some deviled eggs. And an easy way to do that is to hard boiled eggs, and then instead of using mayonnaise or sour cream, use a bit of yogurt. Use a bit of your 0-point yogurt, and you can mix it through with your egg yolk, and you can make egg mayo or deviled eggs. And finally over here we've got some chicken. This is just deli chicken that I found at the supermarket, but chicken breast or turkey is also 0 points, and you can have a snack. And now what I'm going to do is make up a little snack box, mixing and matching some of these so you can see what I do. And here you go. So I've got some strips of pepper, my yellow and red pepper, some tomatoes over there. I've rolled up a couple of those chicken pieces, and I've got some strawberries too. And yeah, this whole little box is 0 points. So if you make yourself up a little box like this, keep it in the fridge or take it to work with you when those little hangries strike in the middle of the afternoon or morning, you've got a snack which is 0 points, not going to affect your day, and it's really delicious and nutritious, and it's also low carb and keto friendly. So whether you're following Weight Watchers or not, or you just want a low carb and keto friendly snack box which is healthy, then this is just perfect for you. And remember to check down below for the blog post where I'll talk through more ideas that are low carb, keto friendly that are also 0 points. So that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe for more videos just like this, and leave a comment to let me know what you thought of this video, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.